Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So this one that is about 2 to the power of s to the power of number 2. So we can use about u equals to number 2 to the power of s. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have like this because we don't have Ln number 2, so we need to divide both sides by Ln number 2. Next, this one we change for u. This one we change for u. This one with 2 to the power of s we change for this one. Next, about u, we can put into 4u minus 3u. Next, we can do about factorization by u. This one by negative number 3. Next, we can do another factorization by u plus number 4. So I will put the u in here. So number 1, that is about 4 minus number 3. So we cannot do this way, sorry about that. So we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over u minus number 3 and b over u plus number 4. Now we can do common denominator. So this one, it is missing about u plus number 4. So capital 8 multiplied by u plus number 4. About this one, it is missing about u minus number 3. So capital B multiplied by u minus number 3. Next, we need to expand. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. So we just have only number 1. That means 4a minus 3b equals to number 1. A plus b equals to number 0 because we don't have u in here. So a plus b equals to number 0. 4a minus 3b equals to number 1. And now we can find the value of 8 and b. So 8 equals to 1 over 7. B equals to negative number 1 over 7. So we put a and b go back in here. So 8, that is about 1 over 7. This one we have negative number 1 over 7. And now we have the final answer. So we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And I will put about C. About U, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.